I'm going to do this song called The Lantern. It's by this group called Waltz. And it's a new song. Kind of has the same rhythm section as a Melissa Etheridge song. But it's got real cool guitar riffs, and I like the lyrics. So let's cover it. I'll put a link in the description. F sharp major. It's the first chord. The verse. I'm not trying to emulate their guitar sound. This is just what was on my settings from something else I was working on. It is kind of a grungy, kind of distorted sound. You could play the F sharp. It's F sharp major. You could play that as a bar chord or as a power chord. All right. Index on the low E string, 2nd fret. And then you can use your ring finger to play the A string at the 4th fret and the D string at the 4th fret. If you want, you can use your ring finger on the A string and your pinky on the D string. Just remember, don't hit these notes down here. But it goes like, my guts and my brains seem to drop the call. What was that you said? Nothing. My guts and my brains seem to drop the call. What was that you said? Nothing at all. Alright, so it just goes from the F sharp to F, which is kind of gnarly. When you play, they call it intervals, where the space between the notes is real close. It sounds real funky. And then it goes to A. It basically is a way to get back to F sharp. They play some nice riffs in F sharp minor pentatonic. All right, I'll just briefly tell you where that is. It's on the E string, 2, 5. On the A string, 2, 4. And I'm talking about the frets when I say 2, 4. 2, 4 on the D. 2, 4 on the G. 2, 5. 2, 5. That's not all the notes, but that'll get you 90% there. And they're playing a lot on the A and the D string. That's the melodies right in that scale. All right, so the chorus is just F sharp, B, and that's B major too. So all the chords in this are major. Now you could, instead of sliding up to the 7th with your power chord, you could, there's a B right under the F sharp on the strings 5, 4, 3. Okay, and we're going to play the power chord just the same. We're just going to shift down string sets. So it's all on A string, fret 2, D, G on fret 4. I think it kind of sounds cool though with the slide up. Now you also have an F sharp here at the 9th fret on the A string. You can play a chord there, and you could also play, we call it the scale, 9-12 on the A string, 9-11, 9-11 on the G, 10-12 on the B string, 9-12 on the high E. So you can play all those riffs here too. Okay, that's that song Lantern by the group Waltz. I like it. Like the lyrics. It seems to be about attention deficit disorder. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.